the real Bible that has every book. It is in Russia. Having been taken to Russia, that is why Russia have more secrets about religion than any other country. Because the original Bible has the code. And that is what we will be unraveling from next week. It got the code, and this code is what is people, this like now you see now they are bringing up one world order, one coin, one passport, one word. It's a one world order. It is coded. And that is why they have always, Bill Gates have always wanted to have we put a chip for easy recognition, that wherever you go, you don't need to carry a paper passport, you just go and the chip will be recognizing you, you'll be known where you come from. You go to the bank, you use the chip, you get your money. All of this information be kept in our body. The book is one, but producers, the reproductions of many other, they copied from one book. The original is one, but like now, James. James is one of the people who mutilated the Bible from the original one, from Vatican. That is where you have the King James Version. We have another book that is produced in America. We have the Books of Mormon. We have the NIV is from a different person altogether. This is based on how people rebelled from the Catholic after discovering this is not the original church that Jesus talked about. So there was kind of a separation. The Catholic, the Protestants, the Orthodox, the Mormons, we all came. Even the Islam came from Catholic. They refused. They went. Muhammad was a bishop.
Muhammad, the one from Islam?
Was a bishop in the Catholic. He led his team, and you see, you find the Quran is the Old Testament in the Bible, the Old Testament. Number two, the Muslim as Catholic, they both use rosaries. You see, there is a rosary. You find a Muslim carrying the same as one, only that for the Mohammedan, the people in the Muslim, they don't put Jesus. But for the Catholic, there is an image of Jesus. And the teachings, the faith is closely the same. How the Catholic worship, how the Catholic go to church, all those kind of things, the same as Muslim, how they dress. Sometimes they put on the robe when they are going for services. The Catholic, if you look at the Vatican, you say white, total white. They have the robes just like the Muslims. And just like the Muslim have Medina in Saudi Arabia, and the Catholics, they have Vatican. So you find there's a lot of similarities altogether. And when it becomes to entrepreneurship, as Muslims, they use their religion to grow physically, financially to grow. The Muslims, the same Catholic, they use it to grow. They use religion to grow. Unlike Protestants,